So you're ready to break your fast. You want to transition into a keto diet. You want to make sure that you stay in ketosis throughout the entirety of the refeeding. So to do that, you just need to choose ketogenic foods. There are several different good foods that you can break your fast with. You're still going to keep a low calorie count from the basic video, video number 12 in the series. Use that calorie count. And the foods that you're going to be breaking with are going to be things like bone broth, chicken broth, a couple of boiled eggs with some salt on them. You can have some fresh olives. The first 3 days or so after you break your fast, you want to make sure that your quantities are low, since most of the foods on a ketogenic diet are pretty calorie dense. So maybe a few nuts, depending on just how hardcore keto you are. Are you a standard keto, 20 grams of net carbs? Or are you a zero carb all the way kind of keto person? That is going to be dependent on you, not me. But you've got olives are great for refeeding into keto. Some hard cheddars are really good. And basically, the majority of the keto diet is fine for refeeding. The quantities, though, need to be looked after. So figure 2 boiled eggs sprinkled with some pink salt, a little bit of pepper, cut them in half. That's a meal. Eat it, walk off. Olives, great snack. Now, after you've gotten into like the 3rd or 4th day of your refeed, you can work everything back in. Your grilled and baked meats, your cheeses, all of that good stuff. And on the 2nd or 3rd day, you can bring back your spinach and your broccoli, however you want to do it there. You don't want to overeat. You don't want to jump into a steak day 1. So day 1, broths, right? Maybe a little bit of spinach, maybe. Olives are even better. Olive oil. Dabble on like some almonds, just a little bit, maybe an ounce of almonds. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of heat them up in a pan, put in a little bit of butter. It's good stuff. For people that are already on keto, you already know how to eat keto. Refeeding is basically the same as eating keto, only in limited quantities and small 4 ounces or less meals for the first 3 days. All right, guys, that's it. I've had a lot of people ask me. It's not a big secret or anything. There's not a big deal for eating keto, but you can rock out, and I'll see you next video.